Hi friends, this is Dr. Lakshmaya, Honorary Chairman for Dr. Lakshmaya AI Study Circle, Hyderabad and New Delhi. My dear friends, here nowadays the people are coming to this particular civil service examination. If you see the change pattern for the past 3 years, and year by year the what you call the success rate from Andhra Pradesh is increasing. Apart from this, here we have identified that the percentages are decreasing year by year. And here initially we used to get the civil services, that is the highest service, IAS in the country. The people who are getting 55% are getting the service, and slowly that reached to the stage of 50%. And last year the people who got only 40, 44, 45% get into IAS. And I think what you call they are afraid of the syllabus, because the GS syllabus was enhanced, and people concentrated more on the GS. But and one essay paper was also included. Apart from that, in this 2013 recent results also, the optional subject played a greater role again here. Suppose, for example, if you take the popular options like anthropology, etc., and here the anthropology scored very well, and so the people scored 246. In fact, luckily, my student Ms. Kavita Meena got 246 marks, and which is the highest in the nation. And those people, those students who got more than 200 and 220 in optional automatically get into service, because all the GS papers and essay papers are written by the students in the same passion. That means the marks obtained in 4 GS papers and essay paper is one and the same for most of the students. And here, but the optional subject is, and few individuals got 100 and below 100 out of 500 marks, and some of the students got 150, and some of the students got more than 200, and those who got more than 200 in optional, they get into service, and that is the most important service in the country, that is IAS and IPS and IRS, IFS. Here most of the people are coming to this particular exam, but some of the students are, they are not so serious. If you do hard work for at least 1.5 year, so you can start your preparation from the degree first year onwards very slowly. Also produced the national topper in anthropology. So this is our reputation, and so far 50 students from different states. Now I am having the students from Rajasthan, Jaipur, then here Northeast, and also Jammu Kashmir, etc., etc. So this is the background of the institute, and here we are giving the 3-year degree program also along with the civil service coaching. So you can prepare you can start your preparation from the degree first year onwards in an integrated fashion. Okay, if you do like this, if you do smart work, then you will get into the topmost service in the country, that is IAS. Thank you.